15-minute jump rope and bodyweight home circuit workout. We are entering perhaps the busiest time of the year. Parties, concerts, shopping, wrapping and baking are all added to the usual responsibilities of work and family. So how are you going to get your workouts in? Or should I ask, when are you going to get your workouts in? Don't be part of the "I gained 5 pounds over the holidays" crowd. This jump rope and bodyweight home circuit workout will get you sweating with both cardio and strength in less than 20 minutes, all while burning more calories than a 1-hour walk. All you need is a jump rope and a little space, and you can get your workout in and get on with the rest of your day. P.S. If you don't have a jump rope, you can still do these exercises. This workout is circuit style and flows between high-intensity cardio jump roping and body weight strength training moves. You'll perform 1 minute of moderate jump roping, with or without a rope, followed by 30 seconds of intense, fast jumping to make you breathless. Then you will perform a 1-minute body weight strength move. You'll continue this pattern and not only fire up some fat-burning cardio, but move through legs, arms and core work to build strength in your entire body and increase your metabolism. So grab your jump rope and jump in. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity. Pass through lunge, right leg. Stand with feet hip distance apart. Step right foot behind and lower slowly to a lunge until both legs are at a 90-degree angle. B. Then lift right leg up and let it float slowly to the front, lowering again to 90 degrees. C. Now push right foot up again and float it behind you as you did the first time. Perform for 1 minute. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity. Push-up T1. Begin in a plank position with hands below shoulders, legs long and abdominals tight so your body is in a straight line. 2. Bend elbows, lowering chest to the ground, keeping gaze in front of fingertips. 3. Press chest back to start position and open right hand and hip to the ceiling so you end up in a side plank position. Feet stay staggered and legs long. 4. Rotate right hand back to start position and repeat exercise, this time opening the left hand into side plank. This is 1 repetition. Perform for 1 minute. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity pass through lunge, left leg. Stand with feet hip distance apart. Step left foot behind and lower slowly to a lunge until both legs are at a 90-degree angle. B. Then lift left leg up and let it float slowly to the front, lowering again to 90 degrees. C. Now push left foot up again and float it behind you as you did the first time. Perform for 1 minute. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity. Tricep push-ups. Lie down on one side, stacking your shoulders, hips, and feet. Bring top hand to the mat directly in front of your bottom shoulder. The bottom hand will be wrapped around your waist below your chest. B. The top arm does all the work as you press yourself up and lower yourself to the mat to your starting position. You will feel the tricep muscles on the back of the top arm working. Perform for 30 seconds, then repeat on the other side for 30 seconds. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity. Releve plie. Stand with feet slightly wider than shoulder distance apart, toes turned out, and lift your heels into releve. B. Bend at the knees, lowering torso, keeping your back straight, and abs tight. Squeeze glutes and straighten legs to return to starting position. Perform for 1 minute. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity. Reverse curl. Lie on mat and extend your legs straight up towards the ceiling. B. As you exhale, tighten your low belly to push your feet straight into the air. Hips will lift slightly off the mat. C. Return your hips and lower back to the mat with control. Use your abdominals versus momentum to create the movement and avoid rolling onto the neck. Perform for 1 minute. Jump rope. 1 minute moderate intensity, 30 seconds high intensity single leg hamstring bridge. Lie on back with bent knees hip distance apart, and feet flat on mat stacked under the knees. Extend one leg long towards the ceiling. B. Squeeze glutes and lift hips off the mat into a bridge. Lower and lift the hips for 30 seconds, then switch feet and perform for another 30 seconds. Thanks for watching this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel. Press the bell icon for timely information.